It's going to give you a natural
Let's get right to it.
Artsy, artsy, fartsy, artsy, fartsy, artsy, fartsy.
I have to get into character.
Okay, so you have to turn around.
I'm turning around.
She's turning around.
John Wayne, John Wayne.
Okay.
Don't apologize. It's a sign of weakness.
Hugs, not drugs.
3 deer, and one of them can't rack like that.
Wow. You don't need to
Did you
go to
say
the
nice
Grand
rack?
Canyon. Nice rack, yeah.
I drove myself. Nice rack.
I'm not going to kiss you because every time I kiss you, you have a meeting with your bishop, and I don't want you to do that. Good game, buddy.
It's going to give you a natural
Let's get right to it.
Can I hug your llama?
Yeah, she might spit on you.
Oh, I think she likes him.
And she smells nice.
Machine gun! Machine gun! Machine gun! Machine gun!
Oh my God.
It's going to give you a natural
Let's get right to it.
Don't apologize. It's a sign of weakness.
Sounds funny.